nothing in here. I'm gonna dink around with this microwave. Beverage button. Whoa! Whoa! There is a beverage and it's hot. Woo! It smells like chocolate. Dude, this microwave just made a chocolate beverage and it's hot.
How much did the microwave cost?
About $150.
Huh.
Yeah. Dude, this is awesome. Dude, we should try a different button.
Yeah, let's try a different button. What button are you gonna press?
I'm gonna press the potato button. Whoa, dude, you just, oh my gosh, that just doesn't happen.
That is not possible. A potato. And beverage.
Potato.
Potato.
Potato. Potato.
Let's press the frozen vegetable button.
Okay.
Because frozen vegetables taste so good. No.
Dude,
that's not possible.
It's a frozen squash. A frozen
Squash.
squash.
Why can't it be kiwi or cucumbers? Why couldn't it?
Kiwi's a fruit.
Maybe kiwi it wants to be a vegetable because vegetables are nice and nutritious. And so are potatoes.
Kiwis are not vegetables.
What about potatoes? They're like vegetables. They're vegetables.
French fries are vegetables too.
Remember, this stuff right here, the best drink, a chocolate surprise, which is a little bit hot, is delicious. I will leave the recipe in the description so you can eat this chocolate surprise.
And I was the one who came up with this drink called the chocolate surprise.
Dip it
And
in.
me and Kyle just thought that this video would be fun today. So this is Sam saying goodbye until the next time I come over to this guy's house and make a video.
Kyle. This is also Kyle signing out. Bye before I die. This is Kyle signing out.